Hi, Nian.
I am.
You can't cry. I love you.
I love you.
Very excited.
Very.
You're a beautiful one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. You're so special.
Love you.
Love you, love you, love you, love you. Nunca pensé que podía ser el hombre más feliz del mundo. Gracias por siempre estar a mi lado, apoyarme y ser mi mejor amiga, mi novia y ahora mi happily ever after. Siempre fuiste tú y todos mis recuerdos tuyos son conmigo sonriendo. Hasta estar nervioso contigo hablando. Siempre estuve sonriendo y feliz. Es muy afortunado. Pero lo que quiero decir es que te amo y soy tuyo hasta que Dios me dé la vida. Te amo.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
I'm so grateful that I get to marry you, that I get to do life with you forever. I feel 100% myself with you. You're always making me laugh, planning for our future, giving me the grace and support that I need. And I love who we are as individuals, and I love who we are as a couple. So my vow to you is to support you in your big dreams, to work as a team, enjoy the big and small moments with you, to remind you how grateful I am for you, to be vulnerable with you, and to make you feel appreciated. I love you.